fractions to percentages, percentages to fractions, decimals to percentages, percentages back to decimals. Has this become very confusing? Let me simplify this for you. Percentage mean percent, that means out of 100. So whenever I'm converting a decimal or a fraction to a percentage, that means we are finding something out of 100 and we multiply by 100. When I'm converting from a percentage back to a decimal or fraction, then I divide by 100. When I say a decimal or a fraction, now decimal and fraction are one and the same thing with different representation. A fraction is represented by a numerator and denominator, and decimal numbers are represented by a decimal point. So fraction and decimal are one and the same thing, just different ways of writing. Hi everyone, my name is Shraddha. Welcome to Eazeemath, and in today's video we will learn how to convert percentages back to decimals, and it is super easy. So let's get started. There are just two steps to convert a percentage to a decimal, which is number 1, remove the percent sign. Number 2, divide by 100. And this is also simplified. The division by 100 is also simplified. You have to just shift the decimal point 2 places to the left. Let's understand this with few examples. Example number 1, 50%. Now 50%, step number 1 I follow is remove the percent sign. So I will just write 50. Now I have to shift the decimal 2 points to the left. So right now the decimal is here and the decimal shifts 1, 2 places to the left. So this becomes a 0.5 because 0 then becomes a trailing 0 and removing it or keeping it doesn't matter. Now let's look at the second example, 75%. Again, I'll remove the percent sign, 75. The decimal point is here. I will shift 2 places to the left and my answer would be 0.75, or I can also write this as 0.75, one and the same thing. Now when I'm saying the decimal is in the end, in a whole number, any number that might be 9, 7, 18, anything, the decimal part is always 0. So I can always write 18 as 18.0 or a 7 as 7.0. Since the decimal part is 0, we don't usually mention it. We just mention the whole number as just the 7. Let's move on to example number 3, which is 8%. Now here I have to remove the percentage sign. I write the number 8%. I have to shift the decimal places 2 places towards the left. So now my decimal is here. I do one jump. Now I am out of the digits. Whenever I have to shift a decimal towards the left or right and I'm out of the digits, we will add extra zeros to compensate those positions. So I'm adding a 0 here and the second jump. Answer is 0.08. Example number 3, 34%. Again, step number 1, I remove the percentage sign, I write 34 and my decimal is here. Shift the decimal point 2 places to the left. Jump number 1, jump number 2. Answer is 0.34. Wasn't this easy? But your learning is incomplete until you do few questions by yourself. So I'm going to give you a few questions. You can pause the video and do those questions. These are the questions for you, and don't forget the steps. You have to remove the percent sign, divide by 100, and a simpler way is shift the decimal point 2 places to the left. I want you to pause the video here and start doing these questions. I hope you are done with the questions. Do mention your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Happy learning and wish you the best.